13 ways to use food as medicine for a healthy life. Almost all of us have heard of the term food is medicine, but how many of you actually understand this term? According to research, food is the leading cause of mortality in the US. So how can the phrase food is medicine be justified? Well, food can nourish your body or can rot you from inside. It all depends on how you are using food. You can collide the worlds of medicine and nutrition by eating the right kind of food in the right way. Want to know more? Keep watching! In today's video, we will share with you the 13 ways to use food as medicine for a healthy life. Number 1. Eat more plants and whole foods. Foods from plants provide us more nutrients, fewer calories, a bunch of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Nothing can beat the goodness of pure, natural, and unmodified food. Research has proven that consuming a diet rich in plants, especially whole grains, reduces the risk of many deadly diseases like cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and obesity. It is best to eat food closest to its natural form, and for that, you have to add more vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds to your diet. Number 2, include more herbs in your cooking. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker or sauce, try adding herbs to your meals. They give your food a unique flavor, appetizing aroma, plus they are super healthy too. Research has proven that herbs and natural spices can prevent various diseases due to their antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. On the other hand, excessive salt and sauces, mostly are rich in salt and high calories, increase the risk of heart diseases, stroke, and hypertension, so choose wisely in which direction you want to go. You can get dry herbs from any store or grow them in your kitchen garden to enjoy organic, fresh herbs. Do you find this video interesting? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3, understand that we are all biochemically unique. We all are unique, and so are our nutrient needs. We all have different metabolic needs. Even identical twins are not similar in this perspective, so it is not wise enough to copy someone's diet and expect your body to react in the same way. According to the Nutrition Research Institute, 55% of women can produce choline from estrogen, while the other 44% cannot do that. And that's not only the case with choline. Every person has different nutrient requirements, so it is essential to determine your body's needs and seek professional help to know your deficiencies and nutrient requirements. Number 4, cultivate mindful eating habits. Even eating healthy food can cause the problem. It is vital to understand every human body is not functioning similarly. Some substances may benefit the general population, but can be bad for you. It all depends on your digestion ability, age, disease, food intolerances, and lifestyle. There is no universal diet that suits every human. Let's see this in this way. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables, full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, but if you are a kidney patient, it might be unfavorable for you due to its high potassium content. Observe closely what your body needs and how it reacts when given certain foods to adopt mindful eating habits. Number 5, don't become a food fanatic. Eating healthy is appreciable, but do you feel guilty even if you slightly drift from your diet regimen? Do you judge people based on their diet? If yes, then you must stop. There is no need to go towards extreme limits. All this will make you cranky, depressed, and disturb your digestion. Try to eat healthily, forgive yourself for deviating a bit, and keep learning about healthy eating. Number 6, use foods rather than supplements to prevent chronic illness. Supplements cannot replace food. They for sure plug the dietary gap, but still eating healthy food is crucial. Nutrients from their natural sources are often easier to absorb and give much more benefits due to their complex structures, unlike pills or supplements. Plus, food is better in taste, fills your stomach, and is inexpensive, so why not fulfill your needs by eating a healthy diet? According to research, supplements are beneficial in some circumstances, but they are not for an optimally nourished population. Instead, more focus should be on a healthy diet. Number 7, make anti-inflammatory food choices. Many major diseases like cancer, heart diseases, Alzheimer's, arthritis are associated with chronic inflammation, and anti-inflammatory drugs are the most commonly prescribed drugs worldwide. Today, the need for such drugs is higher than ever because our diets are lacking essential nutrients. Foods like berries, oranges, fatty fish, spinach, kale, almonds, and olive oil have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Many scientific studies support the role of certain foods in preventing diseases due to their anti-inflammatory properties. So it all depends on you. Choose the right type of food, and you can reduce your risk of illness, while constantly picking the wrong one can accelerate the inflammatory process. Number 8. Care about food choices and preparation. To eat healthily, you have to look at what you are putting in your shopping cart, how you are preparing food, and at what time you are consuming. It is possible to convert healthy food items into unhealthy ones. It all depends on your preparation method. Try steaming and boiling to get maximum benefits. Number 9. Include foods made from healthy animals. If you are a meat lover, look out from where the meat you are consuming is coming. No doubt it is full of proteins, vitamins, and other essential compounds, but if you want to get maximum benefits, healthy animal meat is required. According to Eli Gerlaug-Enger, an animal husbandry researcher, meat varies in quality and nutrients. It all depends on the animal condition. Number 10. Combine your nutritional plan with a program to reduce stress. If you are stressed out, your body cannot make the best use of food, no matter how healthy you are eating. According to American Psychological Association, stress and depression can affect the absorption of nutrients from foods. Focus on stress management techniques and engage yourself in activities like yoga and jogging. Number 11. Develop fundamental culinary skills. You don't have to be a top chef. Learning some basic cooking skills to prepare healthy meals for yourself is enough. According to a study published in the Journal Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the more you dine out, the higher the chances of obesity and early death. So start preparing meals on your own. It is the best way to eat healthy on a budget, and believe me, cooking is not hard at all. Everybody can cook. Number 12. Find a dietitian near you. 66% of adults take prescription medicines in the US. Insane, right? It is understandable to take medications for life-threatening conditions, but for problems that can be resolved by just improving diet, taking medicine is not a wise decision. Remember, pharmacological drugs are not natural and come with side effects. Find a dietitian near you, discuss your problems, and believe me, most of you will not require any medication after proper non-pharmacological treatment. Number 13. Eat until you're 80% full. Hara Hachibu is a Japanese term that means eat till you are 80% full. Everything is good in moderation, and even the healthiest one can become toxic if consumed more than a requirement. Eat slowly and focus on your food while eating so that you can know when the right time to stop eating is. Remember, you should feel satisfied after meals, but not stuffed. Eating healthy is the first aid for your body. It prevents illnesses and ensures good health. In case of a life-threatening condition, it is advisable to seek medical help and take medicines with a healthy diet to heal your body. Do you find this video helpful or informative? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!